Today, it's all about easy makeup hacks, all in one, easy to use, multitasking friends are 2-in-1 cream crayons. Hi, I'm Lisa D. Liguori. I am the owner and founder of Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective beauty, and a smaller, more personal brand. So let's play. Right now, I actually have on 2, 3 pink jasmine, which is an all-time favorite with everyone. I have it on lips, I have it on cheeks, and I have it on my eyelid. It's a beautiful eyeshadow. It's glowy and it's so easy to just do one and done. I actually have more eye colors on than that: crease, underbrow bone highlighter, underliner, but I do have the pink jasmine on my lid and it brings out a really pretty glow. Let's play with some of the warmer colors now in the 2-in-1 cream crayons. So I've got, okay, I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can read the names. It goes nutmeg, rose gold. Rose gold can be cool or warm. It sits right in the middle. And let me see if I can, okay, right. Jazzed, which is a peaches and cream. Soft cinnamon, oh, so pretty, a beautiful copper cinnamon, and sumac, a warm brick red. So let's play with these and I'll show you how we do the lips, cheeks, and eyes and how easy it is. Great to travel with, just super easy way to do your makeup, and it's just beautiful, glowy and moist, all botanically and mineral pigment made. So let's see, I did pink jasmine, so let's do, I think I want to play with Jazzed. Let's see if I have. Jazzed is the peaches and cream. Yes, so right there. Let's play with Jazzed. Okay. On your lips. Hang on. Cheeks. And just blend. Okay, and then eyes, you can go directly on your eyelid. They're nice and moist, or you can dab it on your finger and blend into your eyelid. See how easy that is, and that beautiful glowy look. I'm going to put a little more on the cheeks. Always best to start out with a light application and add more if you want to. You can even build with more colors. If you have more than one, layer the colors. I'm putting a little rose gold on top for fun. Let's go through the cooler tone shades. I'm going to take this off my arm, swatch the next batch of shades, and we'll do a whole nother look as well. All right, I've swatched the cool shades. Here from the top, I did rose gold again in the cool shades. I did moon dust, pink jasmine, which was the shade I had on when we first started, crushed, and scarlet. Now scarlet is really a universal shade. Virtually everyone can wear scarlet. Keep that in mind. Also, pink jasmine can be worn by some warm skin beauties too, so keep that in mind as well. So let's do another color. Let's do a warm color. You know, a cool color. I really want to do moon dust because I think it's a color that a lot of us are afraid of. So let's play with moon dust. And moon dust is this one right there, this lavender pop. Okay, lips. If you want to soften it a bit, and remember, you can always go over it. Rose gold is a great color to use for everything. I just did a dab of rose gold on there, but let's do cheeks. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Look at that. It's so glowy. Oh, and on the eyes, it is spectacular. So easy. Okay, what do you think? Isn't that fun? I love it. So much fun. Even if you wanted to do a little bit of let's say nutmeg, a nude with a pop of moon dust in the middle of the pout, that would be gorgeous. You just play and have fun with these. Can you see how useful and how much fun these are to use for everyday makeup? There are currently 9 shades, and I'm adding 2 more very soon. And the ingredients are stellar. They are botanical plant-based oils and waxes, and the colorants are all mineral pigments. There are no dyes. So it's a really safe for anyone with sensitive skin, sensitive eyes, anything that you think you can't use or have a hard time finding a color to wear. These are going to be your best bets. And they feel great. They last long. They are just fabulous. So I hope you give our 2-in-1 cream crayons a try. If you need help picking a color, please let me know. I'd be excited to help you.